How to solve error of can't install app in Google Play Store. Good day everyone, it's me Lila. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Mahilig ka rin bang mag-download ng mga apps o ng mga games sa Google Play Store katulad ko? And then excited ka, pero pag download mo ng games or app, ito yung lumabas. Something went wrong. Try again. Worry no more. In this video tutorial, I will share the solution to this error. Please continue watching. Kasi trinay kong i-uninstall si GCash, tapos trinay ko siyang i-install again, pero yun yung nakuha ko, something went wrong, try again. To solve this, just go to the settings of your phone, then look for App Manager. So ito yung settings ko, and then pumunta ako sa App Manager. Okay, or dun sa more settings, and then yan, nakita ko na yung app manager ko, and then hinhanap natin si Google Play Store. So sa phone nyo, check nyo lang yan, ayun, Google Play Store, click nyo lang yan. So from there, merong storage, so click nyo lang din yan, and then meron siyang clear data and clear cache, so i-click nyo lang yan. Okay, so pagkatapos ninyo, just go back doon sa Google Play Store and then try to install yung app na nagkaroon kayo ng error. And then ito nga, sa GCash, yan. Mukhang successful na. So click natin yung skip. Okay, let's wait na ma-download itong app na gusto kong i-download. So ito na nga po. Tinatry ko nang i-download yung GCash. And then yan. Na-download ko na siya. And then click open. And then, yun na nga, hindi na tayo nakakuha ng something went wrong, try again. So, issue resolve. Okay, so ganun lang pala yung steps para ma-resolve yung issue na nakuha natin sa pagda-download ng app or games sa Google Play Store. So, thanks for watching guys, and have you subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the notification to see you on my next vlog.